Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in as always. So y'all already know what's up and what we're about to get into. This is my second Zeelool product review. So they have asked me to be a brand ambassador for them over the holiday season. So I am super elated to continue this work with them as well as to show y'all all of the new goodies I got. So make sure that you all stay tuned so you see all of the glasses that I have, the looks we are about to create, and all of those good things. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So per usual, Zeelool sent me 5 pairs of glasses and they all came in this box. All right, like I said, with me being a new brand ambassador for Zeelool, a lot of cool things come along with that, not just for me but for you all as well. So one really cool thing is with you all using my brand new personalized discount code, you all will get 15% off versus 10. Also, I have the opportunity to create my very own giveaway with them. Yes, y'all. So one of you lucky viewers and subscribers will receive 1 pair of glasses for free from Zeelool. So you all have to make sure that you stay tuned so that you can not only see my glasses, but get my discount code as well as figure out how you can win 1 free pair of glasses. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. We have our first pair right here. Okay, so these are definitely really cute. So as you all can see, they are all pink around the outer edge of my frame as well as the handle. So I definitely wouldn't wear these with like my hair like this or anything super casual, but I think these are super cute. As you all can tell, I'm definitely a fan of like the 50s type look when it comes to my glasses, but I think these are definitely cute and really fitting. So here is look number 1. These are super cute. I really like these, y'all. So I guess you would call this maybe like a quarter frame, you know, something like that. So it's white, but not all the way around the frame. But I really love how this sits on my face, you know, and it centers everything. And I really like this white handle as well. So I definitely like these because they're a little bit smaller, and so I think they draw just enough attention to like the center of my face, and they kind of bring in my whole look. Something else I definitely appreciate about this look is that I feel like it could go like casual or you could dress it up. So this is look number 2, y'all. I like these. Thank you. I like these, y'all. I love these. I think these may be my favorite. They definitely add a little bit of flair, okay? Something, you know, for when you go out on the weekend, something really fun. I like these. Like some gold earrings, a nice big puff, or any type of big hair, really. You can really pull these off, and I love the design. You know, definitely different, and they're really light. All right, so that's look number 3. Look number 4, thank you. Y'all already know how I feel about black and gold. And I love these. Again, I love that half of my frame is all black. I love the handles, just how clean these glasses are. I would definitely wear this as like a whole look. Okay, yes, look number 4, y'all. This is probably one of my favorites. And last but not least, look number 5. Look number 5, which as you all can tell is definitely a repeat, but I knew these were gonna be my favorite, so I got 2 pair, and I got one in gold and one in silver. And y'all, I can't even tell y'all which one is my favorite. Like I said, with these, definitely fun, a little funky, gives you some attitude and personality, but I love this whole look, and these are definitely something that I will be wearing quite often. So yes, this is look number 5. All right, y'all, so let's get to the nitty gritty. Let's talk about the promotions, discount codes, as well as the giveaway. So I need y'all to listen very closely because these are all of the rules and details that you need to know to redeem all of these things. All right, so number 1, just like in my last Zeelool video, there was a link that I provided for you all to register with and to purchase your glasses with, right? So if you've never registered or bought anything from Zeelool, make sure that you use my code below, as you can see in this video. It will also be in the description box as well. That's if you do not have an account and you've never registered. By using that code, you will receive $10 off of your very first order. Number 2, if you've ever had an account and registered with Zeelool, I still have something for you. If you use my discount code HERGLASSES as shown here, as well as in my description box, you will receive 15% off of your order. All right, so make sure that you use HERGLASSES. That is my discount code. Last but not least, like I previously mentioned, I'm going to be able to gift one of my beautiful or handsome subscribers with a pair of free glasses from the site. Super excited. So rule number 1 is you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You also have to follow my Instagram page. And down below, you have to let me know which look was your favorite. So 1 through 5, whichever one is your favorite and why. So from there, I'm going to go through the comments and I'm going to decide who the lucky winner is, right? And so once I decide whoever this person is, I'm going to contact you personally. And then I'm going to ask you to send me some information as far as your name, your email, address, all of that stuff. And then you will go ahead and purchase a pair of glasses that you like. And then after that, I'm going to send all of that information to Zeelool and they're going to fully reimburse you for your glasses. Okay, so yes, you do have to pay up front, but they're going to fully refund you after. All right, so I'm going to go over this one more time. So number 1, you have to be a follower on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel. Down below, you have to comment which look is your favorite and why. From there, I select you, I contact you, you go ahead and register through my link, you buy your glasses. From there, I get all of that information, and then you will be fully reimbursed after that. All right, so that is how you get your free pair of glasses. Even if you do not win, I encourage you to go check out their Instagram, their Facebook, as well as their website, so that you can see everything that they have to offer, from glasses to chains to earrings, everything. All right, as always, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as always, and I look forward to seeing you all really soon.